We bought wrong foam cannon, so we made one for free that actually works.
We are not sponsored by any of these products, so don't buy them unless we say so.
What is going on?
Looks like Kärcher attachment doesn't work with Titan pressure washer.
Ziggy, stop playing, we need to wash the car.
Another day in the dirty office.
I will try this one. We tried pouring the foam straight on the car. Big mistake. There was no snow foam. So yeah, we have to make our own prototype.
This
Don't
foam
buy it.
sucks. Don't buy it. We got an idea how we can do it yourself. DIY pressure washer. We made 2 holes in each side of the bottle.
Looks like it's working.
The bottle is still okay. Show the condition.
I think we will need
Another.
It's not foaming enough. I believe we can do better than this.
Working perfectly. Grab another bottle. Boop. Tell us what we found out with our prototype.
It works, but we just need more strong, more better plastic.
Last time I did just 1 hole here, 1 hole here, but it was plastic bottle, like from the water. Need a drill. Let's go to make a hole with drill. It backfires, yeah? Look at the car.
It's way better now. Wow.
The result is empty can. You are fully wet, but the car is covered in foam. Now it's my turn to wash it. Okay, after washing the car and walking around, I was expecting a little worse. Through my yellow pad, through my